Sorry for the person who asked for denji and that your comment disappeared, so you probably won't get this, but at least he's done. Unfortunately, he doesn't. I don't know if it really captured denji in this. Sorry about that, too. On the other hand, I'll have requests all October long because I have requests that people made the beginning of this year that I'll be doing. So I don't know if I'll be taking requests for October this year. I've had plenty of requests across this year already. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.